Hey, what's up guys? Today's quick tip is about keyframing. What is a keyframe? How do I use it? How can it benefit my footage? Well, we're gonna find out. Let's go jump on Premiere and I'll show you what's up. Alright, so here we just have some stock footage that I've brought into Premiere, and it is of this surfer going through a wave. Alright, so maybe we'll cut it. What we want to first do is click on our actual footage, and then we got to go up here to our Effects Controls tab, and underneath the Effects Control tab you have a lot of different things you can do maneuvering the footage. So the key to understanding keyframes is that you need to tell the computer where you want the footage at a certain point in time. The computer's stupid, so you have to tell it pretty much everything you want it to do. So when we go under our Video Effects tab, you go to Motion, and you'll see these kind of stopwatch icons. And when you click one of the stopwatch icons, you'll see, like, wherever you are in your timeline, it will make a keyframe right there. So what you've told the computer is that you are making it at this position at this point in time. So what can we do with this information? Well, if we're telling the computer we want it to be at this scale right here at this point in time, and move maybe 3 seconds forward and scale it up maybe to 120, then when we scroll back we'll see that our image is actually zooming in compared to the original. So when we make these keyframes, there has to be some sort of intent behind it.